In color black, we have a fairly heavily modified Harley-Davidson 2004 FLHRSI Road King. We'll let this guy go by. When was the last time you saw a Road King with lower fairings? Nice. Upgraded grips, mirrors, windshield. It's 2004. We're talking about a 14-year-old bike with under 25,000 miles on it. Almost unheard of. Speaking of heard, now you've heard a set of Vance & Hines pipes being fed by an 88 cubic inch motor, upgraded floorboards, heel shifter, toe shifter, passenger floorboards, Mustang seat. Already covered the pipes. Nice looking bike. This 2004 Harley-Davidson Road King is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78. I almost said 76. That would be stupid. It's the 78.